Hi, and welcome to another video here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today I'm excited to show you a new product we have here. It's the Procision trad pole. Procision trad pole is a carbon fiber, 100% carbon fiber pole. The 12-foot is a 3-section pole, and we have an 18-foot as well, which is 4 sections. One of the big benefits of having a carbon fiber pole over, let's say, an aluminum pole is they're much lighter. For instance, the 12-foot Procision is approximately 1 pound lighter than the 12-foot Unger 3-section OptiLock pole. Same goes for the 18-foot. The 18-foot carbon pole is about a pound, a little bit more than a pound less than the aluminum Unger 3-section 18-foot pole. So that's very good. Not only that, a lot more rigid, being that it's carbon fiber than aluminum. A lot stronger, a lot more rigid. Lightweight, rigid. But it's also more precise. And actually, when I say precise, I'm mainly referring to this particular brand, the Procision. Because you see, Procision stands for professional. It is a professional pole. You're not going to probably see homeowners using this. But it's also looking at being a pole for precision. Precision work with squeegees and whatnot. Especially if you're using any kind of a squeegee that you're going to be doing any kind of swivel action with, like a Mormon or a wagtail, that kind of thing. You need to be precise. And one of the key things to look at when you're looking at a carbon fiber pole, using it for traditional, is that you don't want that pole, the sections, to spin at all. So like when you have the pole extended, or if you have it collapsed, if you have any kind of a spinning, which might happen as a result of the clamp just being a little bit loose or fitting loose in one section compared to another section, you might get a little bit of spin from time to time, especially as the pole wears on. Now, there are pole companies out there that have done something to kind of change the game as far as anti-spin, but like the OVA 8, and there's a new one out there too. I forget. I think it's called the Hex. So what they've basically done is they've taken the tube sections and changed the shape of the tube sections to have flat sides, and that's obviously a great solution. Definitely, as long as you have flat sides, you can't get any kind of twisting one section to another. Well, the Procision trad poles actually have the anti-spin built right inside. So these are round tube poles. But as you can see, it's fully collapsed. There's no spinning whatsoever. I extend it, clamp it, no spinning whatsoever. But look at this. I open up the clamp. This clamp is, the lever is just loose. Still no spin. Like I said, the anti-spin is built right inside the pole. It uses a kind of a track and channel system inside the pole, and that allows this pole to always be an anti-spin. Doesn't matter whether or not you're working and maybe you bump something and the clamp lever opens up a little bit, and you're trying to get that precise, closing out with your squeegee. You're not going to have any trouble at all with this section spinning. And it's actually a little bit more important for a pole to be precise in trad work versus waterfed, let's say. In waterfed, if you got a brush on the pole here, you're just basically pressing on the glass and you're going up and down. You're not doing so much twisting. Whereas if you are with a squeegee and you're trying to, get down on one edge or whatever, like I said, if you're using a Mormon or a wagtail where you're, doing kind of an S pattern up there high up, you can't have this pole being spinning this way and that way. So very good pole for that particular reason. And being that it's it is a carbon fiber pole and it's made pretty much similar to the specs that you'd see on other major brands of water-fed poles, you can always take that, open up the top section, pull out your trad adapter, and insert your favorite water-fed tip or angle combination, whether it be from Zero, Gardner, Black Knight, any of the major poles that are out there that have the top clamp that opens up. So these are available now at thewindowcleaningstore.com. We got like I said, the Procision 12 and the Procision Trad 18. They all come with the aluminum trad adapter and Unger tip. So you're all set to go. You don't have to select, to add on a trad tip to the pole. It's all set, ready to play right out of the box. Anyway, check it out, thewindowcleaningstore.com. Bye for now.